International Raceway the week before Formula Drift Long Beach at Gridlife. And we're over here by Horse Thief Mile. We're about to unload the old diesel and it's gonna soot all over the hood, and that's what we're a little bummed about right now because the condensation out of the motor, it just like shoots out of the stack and covers the front of the car with black stuff. So we don't really have a remedy for that yet.
And the ceiling. Is it just gonna blow straight into the ceiling?
No, it just kind of like hops out of the stack like 8 inches or so, just kind of like lands everywhere.
As long as you don't wood it, it doesn't like blow. It's not like a volcano. It's not a volcano.
How many minutes have you been awake?
Probably about 5. I'm going on 5 right now.
And how long ago did you leave?
I don't know. Well, I forgot it this morning. I fully forgot it this morning. I swear to God, dude.
Check his location.
Here's what happened.
30 minutes away.
You told me when I talked, you're like, I just gotta go pick up Noah, and then I'm on the road.
And so we're like going by the fuel station. I'm like, oh, I gotta get fuel. And Jeff's like, oh, just get it out in Rosemont. And I was like, yeah, sounds good. And like, all right, we're good. Just jump on the freeway, 55, 405. And I get my phone rings one time. It buzzes in my pocket. And I'm like, oh my God, I forgot Noah.
No, then he answers the phone. He's like, what's up? I'm like, where you at?
I'm just like, I'm coming to get you.
I'm on the 55.
I'll be there in a minute.
Yeah, all right.
So I just went off, got on Harbor, and went just a little lap. So. Yeah.
It's a good start off to the
20-minute detour. Ready though. I'm ready. It just sounds like we're in a big rig right now. It's not right. It really isn't right. Oh, Willow Springs Gridlife. Got here this morning. Did a quick little interview with Larry Chen, and now it is officially time to go and swing the diesel wagon. It's happening. I really don't want anything to break, but whatever happens, happens. I'm just gonna go kick the clutch on this thing and I don't know. And the best part is that 4 people get to experience this, not just one. So, wicked stoked, let's do it.
Thanks. You gotcha.
Oh, you're not going in?
Oh my God. It's very, very laggy, like really surprisingly laggy.
Really?
Yeah, like a lot. So like that was second coming around here and I was like whooping on trying to get to light back up and it kind of wouldn't. But then it will actually like swing first gear. But I mean, it kind of makes sense because it's got a 4-speed in it, which has a really long first, and then it has a factory diff. So I'm sure it's just super, super geared long. So quick change is in the future, but we'll make it work today.
It doesn't feel like